Good morning, YouTube. It's the Wheeze, and this is the state of the body. I think I'm slimming a bit and looking good. At 10 minus 1, and in my daily life, I am about to move. I'm moving to a small house in the country that is not as nice as the house I'm living in now. But it's nice on the inside, very modest on the outside. But it will allow me to pay off my debts, and I'll be able to take care of a few things, like maybe some plastic surgery. First of which will be to replace the 3 missing teeth on my bottom jaw here. So I'll be able to chew on both sides of my mouth. Uh, very practical. And then I might deal with my Neanderthal heritage, which I'm not ashamed of. I think the Neanderthals have been very underrated. I hear the still small voice of Miss Mocha Cappuccino. She is going to be in for some shocks when she meets up with coyotes and bobcats. But in the country, she'll be able to eat all the deer she can catch. They're all over the place out there. It's got a swimming pool for residents and access to the lake. I'll have to get myself a boat. And you can tell she's thrilled already. But anyway, I shall continue the series out there, of course. And I'm wearing pink because some couriers from the real estate company are coming to a place where I'm meeting with friends today, and I will write out a couple of checks, earnest money for the new property. When they sell my old house, which is in a very hot area, I'm told, then I will be able to buy the new unimpressive house in the country, but you know, location, location, location. So that's a little, little slice of life and state of the body, which I think is doing pretty well. Goodbye, YouTube.